So finally the Kiger has been showcased. This is the one with the accessories. You can make out a lot of inserts over here. Today will not be the launch, most probably they are just showcasing the car, how it looks from the outside and possibly the interiors. This is the one with all the accessories. You can make out the front bumper, you can make out the side inserts, you can make out the black roof over here. This, by the way, is the top end RX-Z version, and a close-up of the inserts on the alloy wheels. We have MRF tires on this one. In terms of size, it's a 195 on R16 wheel, so very much fills up the wheel arcs in a nice way. Does not look under tired with some of the other SUVs do. The front, as expected, is a much bolder, bigger and a better looking version of the Kwid. The Kwid had these lovely DRS, which will also be seen on this one. Additionally, the actual headlamp unit is, I must say, sexy with your tri light setup. Let me get closer to the car. This is how it looks from the outside. These are LED lights, pure vision LED lights, and something that will distinguish the entire car from other sub 4 meter compact SUVs. You have a black roof on this one, and this is how the rear looks like. We have a car on the other stage with the lights on, but I'm going to show you this first. The C-shaped tail lamps on either side, and of course you have the Easy R branding, so you will have a AMT with this one. The Magnite, by the way, has a CVT, but this one is going to come with the AMT badging. On the inside, I'm not aware if the doors are... No, the doors are completely closed as of now. But this is how the car looks from the inside. The AMT gear lever right over there. You have what I can see as modes, most probably. So if two colors on display, a version of the blue and a version of the red coming in right over here. So first time we're seeing how the car looks in flesh on the outside. The DRLs are working on this one. You can see it right over here. And likewise, let me show you the backside with the LEDs on. This is how the rear looks like. Really, really funky in my opinion. The reverse lights go in there. And again, the tail lamps showcases the width of the vehicle, really, really wide from the backside, and a few distinguishing elements like this carve on the bonnet. This one is the turbo version. You'll have the same engines as the Magnite, but the distinguishing factor will be the AMT. So a lower cost version automatic on the Kiger will definitely be a reality. It is quite high up the ground. As you can see, the ground clearance is super impressive. The one on the inside had flashier alloy wheels because of the accessories. This one has the normal alloys that will be seen on the top end versions. This one is the blue option for you. Let me try to get inside the car to show you the interiors of the Kiger. So we are being told the interiors can be taken after a while. Completely okay with that. We can wait for them to. This is how it looks. We can wait for them to start their proceedings. You have a rear AC vents. You have a rear charging outlet right over here. So as an accessory, you might get color-coded mud flaps, which are, you can see on the inside, black with the blue inserts. You had this thing in the Tiber, you have this thing in the Magnite, and this is something very interesting I want to see. Okay, so you have your modes coming in. This is the normal mode, the sport mode, and the eco mode. If I change it, it should come onto the screen when we are driving the car. A complete LCD display with this one coming in your way. Infotainment system will support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This one should be a wireless charging or might be provided at a later stage. You have a USB charging. Your start stop comes over here. There is no cruise control as I can see, but the other buttons are right over here. You have a twin glove box concept. इसको खोलेंगे तो इसका upper glove box. This is the lower glove box. So चीज़ें वही हैं जो Magnite में थी, but in a slightly better format. Mainly the AMT gearbox manual है, but आपको AMT इसके अंदर मिलेगा. एंड वंस अगेन आपको गाड़ी दिखा दूँ मैं फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. This is how it looks from a distance. The blue right over here and the red right over here. Which one is your pick and why? Let me show you the front tri LED headlamps. वो रहे and वो रहे. उसमें of course low beam पे 2 होंगे, high beam पे शायद 3 हो या साइड वाले 2 होंगे. That is not confirmed as of now, but yeah, first impression of this car is really positive coming in from my side. We are going to drive the car very shortly. But अभी के लिए this is how the Tribird looks like. Sorry, the Kiger looks like. बनी क्या कर रहे हो? Sorry, typo. Kiger, 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 Kiger.